If you don't understand, just put up your hand and tell me, and we'll get someone to say it in Korean too. Okay? So 2 thumbs up. You can sit on the floor and listen carefully. Joe and Angel, can you do that? All right, good. Okay, so the first animals I'd like to start off with are our 2 turtles. Okay? Alright, so I'll tell you about our turtles, and then I'm going to let them walk around on the floor. So I have 2 different kinds of turtles here. Nice and quiet, guys. Remember, if we're talking, they get scared. So the first one here, his name is Franklin, and Franklin is a red-eared slider turtle. So you can see it looks like he has red ears, and when he walks around, he slides his shell on the ground. Now, he is not from Canada. He has to live somewhere that's warm. So he would live in a place like Florida or Texas. Please stay sitting on your bums though. I will get them before they get too close. Okay? And I promise they won't bite at. They won't bite you. So stay still if they get too close. Alright, so on our turtle race, put up your hand if you think Franklin will win the race. Does anyone think Franklin's going to win the race? Alright, put up your hand if you think Snappy's going to win the race. Alright, Snappy's had a lot of fans. Okay, are you ready? We'll say on your mark. Get set. Go. Oops, Franklin's going to win the race. Yes, yeah, bring it. Yeah. That's right. She's so fast. I think Snappy would be our winner. It's okay, I'll get him, Joe.
It is scary. 못 봐봐. 얘보다 훨씬 더 크지 않아? Miss Katie. He's coming again. He's coming again. 야, 우리야. 계속 또 우리한테만 되는 거야? Let's come to. He turns around all the time. Yes. Here he goes.
Yeah, it's like, oh no, no kids, right?
It's like a look at it. It's good. 아니야,
I think he's looking to get at the door. I'm sorry. All right, I'll let them go for one more walk. We're going to say about 6 years. 6 years max.
So when they're old as that, so if Peter was as old as them, he would have been he died?
Yes. They don't have a very long.
How big is the biggest?
This is the normal size, but when they're eating, they will continue to eat even if they're full. So you can get these guys are really, really fat, and the sides of their head just get bigger and bigger.
How come he doesn't get scared?
These frogs, they don't jump away when they're scared. What they do is they hide. So they're good at camouflaging.
Why did they change color?
He
peed, right? Doesn't that mean he's scared?
Yes, but he doesn't try to jump very hard. He can jump, and the more people he meets, the jumpier he gets, but he's okay to just sit there.
Caitlin?
No,
Spiders.
I don't get spiders. I will get the killing. Earwigs. Earwigs.
Oh,
they're long. His head skinny, and then it's like a.
Yeah, I know. Yes. They make your ears bad.
Can you see his head, Joe?
What?
What's the little?
Those are his antennas.
So they don't actually bite?
They don't bite. They eat rotten fruit, so their mouths are only strong enough to eat rotten fruit. They won't
I
bite.
thought whenever I heard hissing, I thought like biting.
Oh yeah, no, they don't bite.
I love us guys.
Oh,
Can you see his head under there?
I'll bring him around again. You might be able to see him.
Nice. I'm gonna put this snake pipe.
Ball python.
Don't worry, I won't put him on you.
Pardon? Ball python.
Guys, how is he? Oh, boys and girls, I need you to sing. How is this toad different from a frog?
He's bigger, bumpier, and it's more rough.
So the bumps on his skin are actually warts, but you cannot get warts from touching a toad. Oh, June, I need you to stay sitting in one spot, remember?
Yep, sorry. I'm just a little tricky.
So the bumps on his skin are used when an animal wants to eat him. He releases poison, and it makes him taste really, really bad. So if a dog eats one toad, the next day he won't eat another one because they're really, really gross for dogs to eat. Now, why I brought up this toad is I want to show you something really neat about them. It's the way you tell whether you have a boy toad or a girl toad. So the way that you tell is you give them a hug, and if they sing, it means it's a boy, and if they don't make any noise, that means it's a girl. So what I'm going to do is give our toad here a hug, and I want you to tell me if it's a boy or if it's a girl.
Boy.
Boy. Yeah, so just listen to his song. He's pretty cute when he's singing.
Beatboxing.
So the reason they make that noise is in the springtime, they all meet down at the pond to meet boyfriends and girlfriends and to lay